guys, Sinclair Photos here, and tonight we are going to a F-Boy meet. It is back at it. F-Boy Friday is in full effect this evening. It's feeling pretty nice outside. It was supposed to rain, but it's not. We got the elusive Hunter Imler in the back seat with the Banana 5.0. We're headed out with some boys. Got a couple Mustang GT. Oh my God, this window's dirty. We got a couple Mustang GTs and a ZL1. So let's have fun tonight. Let's do some funny shenanigans, baby. That's not good. F in the chat, boys. F in the chat for a fallen soldier. All right, we have pulled up to the meet. This is actually a much bigger turnout than I was expecting. Check this out, guys. We have filled up the whole parking lot. Hopefully we have room for some shenanigans. That's the best part about all these meets. Check this out, guys. If this isn't Houston, I don't know what to tell you is. We got the donk, baby, the Lincoln. I'm foes. Next car. That's bad to the bone. This is some Fast and Furious type stuff. We shut down the Whataburger parking lot. I got the neon dance strobe party. A little bit of everything here for y'all. Got some bikes, some trucks. Hey, this is clean. I stand corrected. This is more H-Town than that. Who said these car shows aren't kid friendly? We got a whole kids car show going on here. We got the slammed Silverado and the bike with neon underglow. Ooh. There he is again. Don't look at the car, guy. Don't look at the car. There he is, the one and only Texas Termy, baby. How are you?
Oh my gosh, that AJ Sinclair. What's
good to see you. Good to see you. We got the Houston Civic, pretty much. The Challenger Hellcat, wrapped in matte black. Woo, baby. Oh, good. All right, we're hopping in the ZL1 with Brian. OG subscriber. Let's get it.
Nah, how you doing, man? It's a trip. People don't even believe we're together.
Let's do it.
But tell your story. You know the one I like. Yes, bro. I thought he was about to chase me. I was like, fuck, I would run, but I know him. He an asshole.
Another fallen soldier. Glad it ain't us though. Spot 2. We here, boys. They got fireworks. I don't know if y'all saw that. Oh, we got all the boys rolling in. Gotta get in there. Whoa! Okay. Alright, alright. Spot 2's looking good. Spot 2's looking good. Hey, shout out to Brian for the ride in the ZL1. That's what's up. Yerp, yerp, yerp. Let's do this. I see you. He's swinging it. Hey, that's what we about, baby. That's Houston, baby. That's Houston right there. That guy's burnout smoke don't smell that bad. We got the fireworks. Fireworks and burnouts equals good time. That's so sick. We got the fireworks. Oh! Got it. Go around the fireworks. Came early. I know it's like a big hey cops we're here kind of thing, but I mean it's kind of cool to see Mustang do donuts around fireworks. Oh, is he gonna go again? Is he gonna do it? Is he gonna do it? I don't think so. We got our first race. On the right, we got the Crown Vic. On the left, we got the Civic. Who's gonna win, folks? Wow, what a race! right, we've got up on top of these boxes for a better aerial view. We got David and Harrison. We got the other people that are in the warehouses working across the street. Right there, watching the races go down. This is awesome. Just remember, guys, loud doesn't mean fast. He nearly missed that guy. The bike beat the vet, oh my God. He smoked him. Oh my God, it's OG Wild Davis, baby, taking the win. The bumps. Oh shit, everyone's jumping up. Hey, this is how Texas leaves a car meet. Oh, there they are! Oh my God! Look at everybody! Hey, we clear out good, guys. Good job. That was like 14, 15 seconds. Good job.